Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be talking about how to make a vision board. It's actually random that I started to speak English because my channel is in Kazakh and Russian, but I saw why not? I can speak English and I better do a video, and I think I'm more emotional in English. So today, if you're interested of who I am and why am I even on YouTube, I'm a blogger on Instagram and I write about education, traveling and just self-development. So today I wanted to talk more about self-development and tell you guys how I plan my life and how I do my vision board. Vision board is, if you don't know, something like this, looks like this, is a tool. For me it is a tool to achieve my goals, because every day I look at this vision board and realize what I want to do in life and try not to forget it and have a motivation from the pictures that there is. A lot of people treat vision boards as some kind of a religion or some kind of a magic that will make your dreams come true, but for me it's not the case. I think that dreams come true only by working hard, but these kind of tools help for you to be guided towards your dreams. It's hard to get to your dreams if you don't know what's your dreams, and if you never dream them, and if you just have an abstract idea that you want to be somewhere, you want to be someone, but you don't know what, and you don't know where, and you don't know how much money you want to make. If you're interested in this, keep watching this video. If not, just like it and make me happy. So I've done vision boards before in my life. When I was in 8th grade, I think I was like 15 or 14, I don't know. My mom and I did it, and that time I had no idea that I had to plan, and there was a smarter technique that I could have used, but I just put everything that I wanted in life into this vision board, hoping that everything's gonna come true. Well, actually a lot of things came true. So one thing that I want to tell you is that aim high. Don't think that you're gonna not achieve your goals because they're too high. Of course you have to make goals that are achievable, but you can just do one or two that are like never gonna happen. I think that's the way vision boards work, because you just visualize things, you just look at these goals and think, okay, now this goal looking more like real thing, not just an image in my mind. So my last vision board I put when I was 15, I put a goal to study abroad for free and have a scholarship. I'm from the village of Kazakhstan, I'm from the village of Kazakhstan. So English, it was not taught good there. So I had maybe zero chance of going abroad and studying in a scholarship. But thanks to my mom and thanks to the opportunities that happened in my life, I got in, and now I'm in Hungary studying psychology. So I thought, why not give it a try and make another one? And I did one more vision board in 2019. This is the board, and then I put there that I want 100% vision. There it is. And I want good teeth. Well, guess what I have? Braces, and I did laser surgery on my eyes. So my eyes see 100% now, and here I put these teeth because I wanted to whiten my teeth, but my dentist had another idea, and she just gave me these beautiful braces, and I'm gonna wear them for 5 years. So be careful with your dreams and goals, but I think it's for the good, because I want to invest in myself, and I think that I'm gonna be alive for a long time and I will need these teeth. Vegetarian. I always wanted to be a vegetarian, but I've never had the courage, or I've never understood how it works. I thought meat is essential for humans' nurturance and for us being healthy, but it wasn't the case, and I have been a pescatarian for 1 year now, and I'm gonna transition to vegetarian soon. So I think it's a great achievement for me. I didn't want to start it completely high and be a vegan right off, just being a person from Kazakhstan who loves horse meat, who eats sheep head and other things that maybe Western people do not understand, but we eat it. So if you think that you also want to make a vision board and you also want to make your dreams come true, then you can keep watching this video. What do you need for the vision board? First of all, you would need scissors and some marker to write down your goals. You will need also double-sided tape. Some people use glue or just a regular tape, but time is money, so I'm just gonna use this one. Some people use pictures from journals or from magazines, and I think it's not the best idea because it's limiting of your choices that there's like, do you want a perfume in your life or a man from Calvin Klein advertisement? I don't know. I think it's better to go on Pinterest or go on Google and just Google things that you wanted. But before Googling it, you have to put your goals, like 100 goals maybe, on a smarter technique, and after that just make everything come true, you know, make everything like pictures. Well, I cannot show you all my pictures because these are my goals, and even if you saw them, you cannot use them because everyone has different goals and have different, I don't know, pictures that motivate them. One thing that you have to do is that you have to have a picture that is motivating you, that is saying to you, go get it, that is saying, okay, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do 100% just to get these images come true, you know? So be careful with what you dream, be careful with which pictures you use, because all these pictures are gonna come true. First thing first, you need a very good mood in order to make this kind of vision board. You have to be very motivated, you have to think that everything can happen. You have to maybe watch some motivational video or maybe something that inspires you, and then come back and be like, all my goals are gonna come true and there's no doubt in this. And then the law of attraction will help you and then make everything come true, or at least your hard work will make everything come true. So what I like to do in my vision board, I like to just, you know, organize the vision board into 9 different like subcategories. I will tell you all in detail. First, here you would also put your face and maybe something like a quote about you, or quote about self-love, or maybe health that you want, or the body that you want in your life, and all the things that you want in your life you can put here. And then here you will put fame, if you want some fame, or if you want some recognition, anything. It's like being a speaker on something, or just people recognizing you, people giving you certificates, or anything. It's gonna be good here. And here you can put your love life, your husband, future husband, or anyone, or just the vision that you're gonna one day have a husband and family. Here you can put education. I will put here university. You can put anything you want, maybe books that you wanted to read, maybe language that you always wanted to learn. And here travel, that's my favorite one, and it's always full for me because I want to travel so many places. And this one is gonna be for career, maybe like what do you want to do in life, or if you don't know what you want to do, or maybe just achieving goals or getting promotion or being a CEO or anything. Just don't limit yourself, but also put something achievable, put something specific. And then here I would put something about my family, and over here more things about money, maybe houses, cars that I want in my life. Anything that is related to money can go there. So before you start your vision board, don't forget that all your pictures, all your visions have to be specific, reasonable, and good for you. For example, you are a person who is studying in a university, who wants to get good grades, who wants to get a good scholarship or internship or anything. You're not gonna go and dream about having a child or raising a child, right? Or you're not gonna dream about somebody else's dream. So you put your dream, you put something that you want. And the other thing is that put something specific. You cannot just say, oh, I want money, I want to be rich. It's not how it works. People are rich in a different terms. For example, for some people, having $10,000 a year is already a lot of money. So do you want to be that rich, or do you want to be $100,000 rich? So you have to set the bar for yourself, okay? You put the numbers and you put the deadline. I mean, not a deadline, but kind of a time limit, because time limit gives you understanding what you want and when you want. You could say, I want to be rich, but when? For example, yeah, I want to make $100,000, but when? Maybe like in 10 years, maybe 20. So just make an idea when you want to do it. And I think it's a good idea to make one vision board 1 year. You can also do more, but I think it's best because then you will remember what you wanted the whole year, and then you can manifest it and you can visualize it. And also here you can put a lot of things because there are a lot of subcategories. And I think the best thing after you've done all these things, you've put your pictures and your words, is to visualize it. Put it somewhere you want to see, for example, on your wall or somewhere. I rent an apartment, so I don't dare to put something on the wall, but I just put it on the shelf, and then sometimes I look at it and just remember what I wrote, because sometimes I just forget what I wrote because that was the impulse of that time. So in order not to forget my intentions that I had for the year, I just visualize it. Also, very good at visualizing is to think about, for example, how you would see it. For example, if you want to be in Europe, what would you see if you were in Europe? You have to think as if you were already there. What would you see as if you were already there? What would you hear? Maybe some crowd talking in French. What would you smell? Maybe like cheese. What would you see? For example, Eiffel Tower. Who are you gonna be with? What kind of emotions you will feel? Are you gonna be thrilled? Just feel this, and then just visualize, and then later on this will help you achieve your goals. This will help you guide you and then motivate you and give you new restart if you just forgot in the routine, because all of the people forget in the routine what they wanted. And the 2020 is been hard. That's why I'm doing the second vision board, because 2020 kind of shaked up what I wanted in life, and that's why I wanna put some new goals and start over, because coronavirus just a messy person. One thing that I want for you to remember from this video is that everything that you put on your vision board is gonna come true. Never doubt that it's not gonna come true. If you doubt, then don't do it. Then watch something, then be motivated, then talk to somebody, and then do it. Do it now. Now is always a good idea to start. You're not gonna do it tomorrow, you're not gonna do it a week after, you're not gonna do it a year later. Just do it now and just see what's gonna happen. Just try to follow these rules. All this thing you're gonna lose is some time and some energy, that's it. But at least you're gonna get an organized view on what you want in your life, and you're gonna organize your goals, organize your plans, and everything you want from your life. Never forget that you're the best, that you deserve the best. That's why I got on and printed in this glossy, beautiful printer, not just, regular A4. So, good luck, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, put a thumbs up and put a comment below. Love you guys. Bye!